What is going on, guys? This is Joaquin Corrales. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're going to go over why 99.9% of you will not make money online. We're going to hop into my computer right now and get right into it. All right, guys, so let's jump into my computer. I want to outline the top 3 things here as to why 99% of you won't make any money online. And I want to make sure that you guys get this completely. Before we begin, make sure that you guys join our entrepreneurship Facebook group. The link is in the bio. We have over 1,500 members in there. We're pretty active as far as everything Shopify, entrepreneurship. If you guys have any questions at all, just post it there. We hang out there, and I'll answer anything that you guys need on there as well. And also, we're doing weekly giveaways of software and over $1,000 worth of entrepreneurship courses. So make sure that you guys subscribe, hit a like, and comment down below to qualify. Tomorrow, I'm going to be mentioning last week's winner. So guys, what are the top 3 reasons why 99% of you won't make any money online? And throughout my process and throughout my experience in building these online businesses and working with other people and helping them in theirs, these are the top 3 things that I've noticed from people that if they realize this and they did things to improve them, then they will make a lot more money online. So the first thing that I've noticed with absolutely everyone is that everyone is looking for that one thing, right? Everyone is looking for that one secret that they yet don't know, right? That someone out there knows, that the person that they look up to knows that they don't yet know. And if they would know that secret, right? If they would know that one thing that they don't yet know, then they are going to start making progress. Then they're going to start making money online. Then their Facebook ads are going to start working. And what you guys have to realize is that there is no one thing, okay? That one thing that you're looking for in someone else does not exist. There is no one thing. There are combinations of things, and there are different strategies that you could follow to get to the same end goal. But there is no specific thing that you're looking for that is going to exponentially help you other than taking action, okay? Taking action is the #1 thing. So here it is. So if you're out there and you're looking for that one thing from anyone on YouTube or just any mentor, anything in general, here it is. It's that you have to take action, okay? You have to learn something and then immediately take action on it. Like, for example, I'll watch YouTube videos. I'll buy courses online. I'll look at what other people are doing, and I will immediately take action on that if I feel that it would work in my scenario, because I want to fail fast, right? And what that means is that I want to very quickly be able to know whether that's going to work or not. And obviously, as you build up on your previous experience, then you're going to know right off the bat whether that opportunity in front of you is something that you should even try. But the bottom line is that there is no one thing. You should stop looking for that one thing if you're doing that, because all you have to do is take action towards what you're learning. If I put up a video showing you guys a new Facebook ad strategy, then go out there and test it immediately and see if it works, because I'm only saying it. I'm only advising on that because it's working for me. Now, is it going to work for you? Depends on what you're doing, but you could go ahead and try it and figure out a way to test without wasting money, right? Without wasting as much money, wasting as little money as possible. But the idea behind that is that you have to take action and you have to fail fast, right? So how can you apply the things that you're learning? And if they're not going to work, figure out how to get them to not work fast, right? By testing fast. And as you guys do that, you're going to get better at it. So what is the second thing? And one of the reasons why 99% of you won't make any money online. So that second thing is that you're not willing to invest. And I'm not only talking about that you're not willing to invest in your business, but you're also not willing to invest in courses. You're not willing to invest in advertisement. You're not willing to invest in products. And what you guys have to realize, and this is an issue that I had as well, was that, for example, let's say someone is selling a course on how to run advertisement or how to run something. And I'm not saying buy my courses. Don't buy anything that I sell. I don't care. This is just thoughts for you guys to think about. So let's say that someone is selling a course on how to run advertisements, Facebook ads, let's say. There are 2 choices that you may have. You may go out there and find all the information that you possibly can and then start taking action against it. And you might waste money. It's going to take longer, but eventually you'll figure it out. Or the second option is to buy a premium course of someone who has put all the information in there that you need to know, and that is going to save you a bunch of time and a bunch of money in getting to that same end goal, right? So it's going to be even more expensive for you to go out there and do it on your own and learn by putting all these different pieces together than by investing in yourself and getting a program that someone else has created. And this isn't only about a program, right? Because we could take this even to the fact that people are not spending money on advertisement because they lost like $20, right? Like we get a whole bunch of messages on a daily basis that, oh, you know, this Shopify thing is not really working for us. Well, dude, you only spent $30 on advertisements. Like, how is it going to work? Like, how is that enough information? How is that enough for you to realize that it's not going to work? Like, we have lost thousands and thousands of dollars, and you're going out there, you're probably trying this on your own, and you spent $30 and you're crying that it's not going to work. Like, what? So you need to understand that the amount of money that maybe you're going to lose at the beginning is an investment in yourself, right? You're investing in what not to do. You're investing in your knowledge of the platform because you now know how you need to tweak things and how you need to do it in order for them to work. And this is also something that I always had, right? And it was the fear of investing in general. And I think a lot of it comes down to the way that I was raised, right? And how I came from absolutely nothing, right? I came from a family that valued money a lot and looked at money from a viewpoint of scarcity, right? In the sense that you had to make a lot of money and then you had to save it because money was hard to make, right? It was something that you couldn't not that you couldn't easily make, but it was something that was very hard, right? It didn't come from an abundance, a mindset of abundance. It came from a mindset of scarcity. And I think that hurt me a lot in my beginning. In the beginning of my businesses, because I was scared to invest, because I thought, okay, I have this money, awesome, I need to save it, I need to protect it, I cannot put it out there because maybe I'm going to lose it, right? And so that thought really blocked me. But eventually, once I started putting money in and I lost some of it, which sucked, or I lost a lot of it, and once it started coming back, because the investments started working eventually, as they always do, right? If you try something 100 times, eventually it's going to work. Then I eventually got over it, right? Because I realized, oh wow, like I put in $5,000 and I got back 20. Okay, the math makes sense. I'm going to do this, right? But not willing to invest in yourself is definitely one of the reasons why 99% of you won't make any money online. And what is the third and final thing? And what that third thing is that you're not maximizing your customers, right? And this is even an issue that I presently have today, okay? And it's that I'm not maximizing my current customers. And what this means is that your customers, obviously, they had some sort of engagement with you, or they bought something from you in the past. You need to make sure that you're constantly, and I'm not saying every 5 minutes, but every single week or every other day or every so often, you try to maximize these people, in the sense that you should be pitching them different stuff. You should be trying to sell them different stuff. If you have an email list, you should be constantly emailing these people, making sure that they always stay warm traffic, right? Because you have cold traffic, which are people that don't know anything about you. And then you have warm traffic, which is people that know who you are. And let's say you have an email list of 100 people. If you email these people every once in a while and you give them value, and eventually you try to sell them something and they're going to buy stuff. But if you email these people once a month, then they're probably going to forget about you and they're going to turn into cold traffic again, right? So you don't want to do that. And so part of maximizing your customers and generating as much money as you can from them, right, by obviously offering them value, is to constantly keep them warm by engaging with them. And maybe, of course, you use email marketing as part of that. But another thing is retargeting them on advertisements. Like, for example, I saw a comment earlier today, and I'm sure that the person is going to watch this video. That's why I'm kind of mentioning this here. But what I said in one of my other videos was that what you guys want to do, if you have a Shopify store, for example, is that you want to retarget the people that view your stuff. If someone comes to your store and they view a product, you want to retarget them and show them more advertisements of that product if they did not purchase, right? And to take it a step further, if they add to cart and they did not purchase, then maybe you want to offer them a discount. And what that person asked was, how am I going to retarget them if I don't have their contact information? Well, how you do that is through the Facebook pixel. Remember, when you have this Facebook pixel on your website, then it's tracking everybody that comes in. And so when someone comes to a certain product, then you're able to create a custom audience in your Facebook that says, I want, you're going to do it on website visitors. So everyone that visited your website, and they're going to have visited a specific link. And then you're going to exclude the people that have purchased that specific item, right? And those are the people that viewed it but didn't buy. And that's just part of maximizing your customers. Like, these people are in a way your customer, your target customer, because they visited your website. You need to maximize them by not letting them go, right? Not letting them go out there into the world, but following them by retargeting them, right? And I think that's super important. Like, I was listening to a podcast by Russell Brunson the other day, and he was talking about how one of his mentors was telling him that that for every $1 that someone spends in his company, that he's able to make up to $3 more from them. Let me explain that a little bit more. So obviously Russell Brunson owns ClickFunnels, right? And so there's a whole bunch of people that use ClickFunnels, and for every $1 that someone spends on a platform like ClickFunnels, and like ClickFunnels, I mean a platform that has a monthly recurring fee, that he's able to make up to $3 for that same person on a monthly basis. But how do you do that? Well, creating more offers. You have to create more products and create other things to pitch these people and do that type of stuff. And that just comes around the idea of maximizing your customers, how you're able to generate more money from them. And how you do that is by making sure that they stay warm traffic, offering them new products. Maybe if you have a Shopify store, you have an existing list. If you're able to segment that list, like for example, if you have a general Shopify store, then you might sell a whole bunch of different things in there. But let's say that 100 people bought a fishing product. Well, you should add another fishing product that you think is going to do good and email these 100 people that bought another fishing product and offer them this one, right? That's how you maximize your audience and you generate more money. And guys, if you're aware of these top 3 things, then maybe you're going to have a chance at making money online, all right? But if not, then these are the reasons why 99% of you won't make any money online, and it's holding so many people back. But just the fact that you guys watch this video and that you realize this, and that now you're able to think it over as you do your things on a daily basis, then you're part of that 1%, right? So guys, remember, we're doing a 180-day challenge. We're releasing videos every single day. Make sure that you guys comment, hit a like, and subscribe to qualify for our weekly giveaways of software and over $1,000 worth of entrepreneurship courses. And I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next video.